Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome back if you've been watching the whole time. Today we're going to do a preschool book. So how preschool books normally work, kind of talk about how I would read the book to the kids. A few things to remember: always read with your fingers so they know that it starts left to right, top to bottom. Always say who the author is and the illustrator is, if there is one, and talk about how the author is the one who wrote the words, the illustrator the one who drew the pictures. Before you read the book with them, make sure you're picking out words that you think they should learn. But that being said, we are going to get started. We're going to talk about whose hat is this? A look at hats workers wear, hard, tall, and skinny. This book is by Sharon Katz Cooper and illustrated by Amy Bailey Muhlenhart. Sorry if I messed that up. So basically, really fun, easy book. It's basically, like the title said, it's just going through hats of different community workers, things that you would see. First, some words. Don't know if there's too many words, if any. I just read this today, and I guess uniform. They may not know what that is, but you can just be like, a uniform's when you have to wear a certain clothes for your work. So we can talk about that. Okay, pretty much that is the only word I would think of. So yeah, I would go through uniform. This book, what would I rate this? I would say 4.5. It's really good. There's just a few. They have a beekeeper's hat, which most of them wouldn't know. And then, like, this is supposed to be the chef's hat, and they're supposed to guess. So there are just a few hats that the kids may not know. And then some of the pictures don't make it easy to guess. And the kids aren't going to have fun if they can't guess easily. But other than that, I mean, this book is great. I don't have any questions to tell you because literally the questions are already in this book. So, like, whose hat is this? So bright and shiny, right? There's already a question and it says, whose hat is this hanging over her face? So you don't even have to think of questions. If you want to add extra questions, this is well, you can't even, I mean, if you want to ask the kids before, like, each page tells what that worker does, but like, what does the chef do? Before you want to read it to them. But so good. This is a quick, fast read. Kids like it. The questions are already there for you. Just explain what uniform is. And then I like to review it with them, actually. So for questions, so like this one is astronaut. So what does an astronaut's helmet do? Like, after I read it, just go back through so that they actually see if they're actually remembering what that hat does. Again, it's always good to read a book multiple times. Yeah. But thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. subscribe, and hit that notification button, because why not? Share this video. I always want to hear from you. So if you read this and you liked it, I'd love to hear other books that you've read that are similar. Your opinion on the book. Yeah. So thank you, and see you next time. Bye.